Alright, what is going on YouTube? Murticus back here, bringing you guys another video. Right here we got a 2024 ES 350. This is the non-hybrid variant, as well as the 350 model. And as you can see, it's nice. They really upgraded the interior on this car. Put the key right there. There's a nice little infotainment screen. And yeah, I should have a CarPlay set up on this model. Yep, there we go. But yeah, guys, this car is absolutely money. I'm putting the sport mode. I believe this has an 8-speed transmission. I actually just drove a 2017 model, and it's really nice to see the improvements they've made on this car. That one was super nice, but this one is even better. And as you can see, really good acceleration. Feels super smooth through that first gear. I don't even know if it shifted or not. Right now I have it in drive, but let's see how many miles this car has. Wow, only 429 miles on this car, which is nothing. Keep it on the odometer. But I think ultimately, I believe the ES model is one of the best cars you can buy for a daily. Nice little pool right there. Oh my goodness, so smooth. And the brakes are really good. Suspension is perfect. It's not too, cushiony, but it's also a little bit sporty as well. This car is front wheel drive. I believe they stopped making the GS model. So I'm not sure how you get a all-wheel drive sedan. Probably have to go the IS route to get a all-wheel drive 2024 car. Wow, look at that S-Class. Oh my goodness. But yeah, Lexus is super nice. I love the interior. This one's all black. And I like, none of it really feels cheap at all. I've been in some cars where it's super plasticky. A lot of leather in this one. And I'll put this back in normal. Normal's a very good mode. The sport feels so aggressive, so it's not really good for traffic. I'd say that's more for like open road, because it holds the gears a lot longer. But normal, it will shift a lot smoother and quicker, which is perfect for traffic. But I'll also have to comment that the sound system in this car is very good. I don't know if these are the Mark Levinson model. I think it's the standard one, and they sound really fantastic as well. Also comes with a sunroof, as you can see. But yeah, guys, these cars are super sweet. Hopefully I can get a hold of an IS, show the difference on that. Because all the models from the Lexus are all different in terms of feeling and driving experience. One of my favorite cars from the brand is the NX model. That one is super nice. And yeah, they also have really nice interior options for the color, as well as the exterior too. That's one thing I've noticed with these cars. But steering super smooth, feels like butter. What is this guy doing? He's like in my lane. We got a stop sign right here. I'm gonna put it back in the sport. I don't know what I'm doing in normal. But yeah, sport mode in these cars are top notch. I love the way it feels. Hopefully no one's coming. There we go, we're good. Hopefully I can get you guys some clips on the highway.
Welcome to Maryland.
It says welcome to Maryland. But yeah, guys, other than that, I mean, this car, super comfy. Looks pretty luxurious as well. I don't know what the starting MSRP for this car is yet, but I'd imagine it's pretty high. It's definitely more than your Camry. Let's look both ways. I think we're good. Give it a nice little pull right here. Wow. It feels really good, but I wouldn't say it's like super fast. I've been in, you know, if your car is bi-turbo V8s, you're gone, but that felt very solid. I don't think it's a naturally aspirated engine in this car. But the other thing is, this is a front-wheel drive car, so there's pros and cons with front-wheel drive. But I will say the feeling does feel really good. That feels super good. Oh my god, this thing flies. Oh, she got red hair. So yeah, we're gonna approach the highway now, and this is probably one of my favorite, you know, aspects of this car. It is such a great highway commuter. Super smooth. The suspension is just right. They nailed this car. I have driven a Camry, and this is definitely above a Camry in terms of comfort and, you know, amenities. Squeeze by these two big vehicles. But yeah, on the highway, super smooth. It just feels so good. Even on the 2017 model, that was so good. Check out that video. I don't know which one I'll post before, but my review on this car is absolutely excellent. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick, you know, little highway vid, give you my thoughts and impressions. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and we got traffic. Like I said, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Redkiss out. Peace.